Need a better way to manage your assets? Are you looking to simplify how work orders are managed? Is preventative maintenance falling through the cracks? Whether you lead a small or a large operation, you need the right tools at hand to maximize efficiency. The Novo ShareNet platform is a suite of easy-to-use web and mobile software applications that can help streamline maintenance operations and report on costs. First, let's take a look at managing assets in ShareNet. Knowing what assets you have, where they're located, and their condition is essential to reducing operational costs. From small tools to vehicles to heavy equipment, ShareNet tracks your assets and keeps a history of purchase information, depreciated value, and maintenance performed. Assets can be barcode tagged, allowing records to be searched and updated on the spot. And geotagging capabilities show the precise locations of your outside assets. What's best? Your assets can be managed from an office computer or a mobile device, ensuring records are accessible and up to date. Another powerful capability is how ShareNet manages work orders. Managers can quickly and easily create and assign work orders to technicians for completion. Technicians can then view and update the work orders in real time while away from their desk. This gives managers a global view of their team's efficiency. This makes managers and technicians happy. Finally, let's take a look at how ShareNet handles preventative maintenance. Keeping your equipment in tip-top shape ensures safety for your employees and longevity for your equipment. Automated reminders safeguard against preventative maintenance tasks falling through the cracks and provide the ability to plan for work to be performed. Maintenance procedures can also be related to equipment, providing quick access to instructions and other related documentation. Ready to learn more? Request a free demo today.